In this video, we will learn how to use conditions in Python. Conditions are required if you want the program to perform different actions depending on certain conditions. In real life, we do similar things every day. For example, we switch on the light if it's getting dark, or we go for shopping if we are running out of some stocks at home. Let's consider the following example. Imagine we need to create a robot, a machine, at cashier desk in a store that messages if someone has enough money or not if they are buying a certain product. We have two numbers: how much money we have in our pocket or in a bank card. Let's assign this number to variable cash. Assume we have 20 bucks. And the second number is how much money we should pay to buy a certain product. Let's call this variable price. Assume the price is $40. Logic is very simple. If we have less money than the product's price, then the machine should tell us politely, "Sorry, you have not enough money." Otherwise, if we have more money than the product costs, the message should be, "Thank you for purchasing." So in this simple case, we have just two scenarios: enough money or not enough money. Of course, we program our robot with Python. Did you have any doubts? This is really easy. We should use if statement in Python. It looks like this. If cash is less than price, then we print this message. Otherwise, else, when cash is greater or equal to price, we print another message. Let's run this code. That's right, we cannot afford this stuff. Imagine that we have more money in our pocket. Super, life is beautiful. If we have exact amount, we can buy it, of course. Fantastic, our machine is working great. Congratulations. Please note that we should type colon symbols after the condition here and after word else. If we forget doing this, Python will signal the error. Other very important thing is indentation. Any code that should be executed in each of the scenarios must be indented. That is, be positioned to the right from the margin. Indentation is required to delimit code performed at a certain condition from the other code. End of indentation means end of the block of the section. For example, we can add one more comment to the section 2. This message will be shown only if the product was purchased. If we remove indentation, the message will be printed in any case, regardless of the money, because zero indents means that conditional block has finished and we got back to the situation existed before we started if statement. At least one comment should be presented in each of the scenarios sections. If we remove indentation from the other print comment in section 2, Python will get upset. We cannot leave section blank, but we can remove entire section 2 if we need it. Like this. In this case, no messages will be printed out if payment was successful. Not so polite, but can work as well. To create indentation, you can use tab button or space button, no matter how many spaces you typed, but for nice view it's recommended to insert a few spaces. Tab button is more convenient because it shifts the code to the right position with just a single pressing this button. The following comparisons can be made with if statement. For example, we can rewrite our code with a comparison greater or equal. However, we should swap the commas in this case. If we have more money or exact amount of money, then we can purchase the product. Else, if we have less money, then sorry. Time for quiz. What will be printed after running the code below? Correct answer is 2, because b takes 0 value. 15 minus 5 times 3 equals 0. But division by 0 is impossible, so the result should be the error message. A little exercise. You have two variables. First one shows a problem that student should solve, and the second one contains the student's answer. Write a code that messages if the student's answer is correct or not. Solution can look like this. Nothing difficult, very easy. In this video, just very basic information was given about using conditions in Python. If you like it and interested to keep learning Python, please get familiar with my course. See link in the description. This course includes much more details and explanations, covers other subjects of programming in Python, and provides a big number of practical examples, quizzes, coding exercises that help you to test your knowledge on practice.